Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miranda. Thank you so much for joining. I am so excited to give you guys this huge Shein haul. Shein, Shine, Shein, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. I have so much stuff to show you guys. It's unbelievable. Your girl's balling on a budget, you know. Not all of us have money to spend $50 on a shirt that's only going to be in style for 6 months. So I have heard a ton of good things about Shein on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. It's kind of always been a thing, but it's been like really a thing lately. So I placed 2 huge orders. I paid $12 for express shipping and it got here in less than a week. Let's get right into it. I have so much stuff to show you. I've already tried everything on and I threw away the packaging, so I literally have it all stuffed into this PacSun bag. The first 2 things I got were actually shirts for Tyler for vacation. This is like kind of like a light blue Hawaiian type of shirt. It's really light fabric, it's really soft, so it's not like really heavy and it will make you hot. And then this one is kind of like a mint green, like a muted mint green kind of. Has little birds on it like that. Once again, the same fabric. They were each $15. The next is actually this shirt that I'm wearing. It's so cute. It has the little ruffles on the, or like the cinches on the side, and I am so impressed with it considering it is a white shirt and it is not see-through at all. The next thing I bought, these like faux leather pants. They're like a boot, they're more like a straight cut, but they have the slit in the side and then they zip up on the side also. And when I tell you, these are the most flattering pants that I have ever owned. They're so amazing, they're so affordable. And I bought this like tie shirt. It like, it's just like one of those like scarf shirts that you tie in the front. It's really hard to show on camera, but I bought it to wear with those pants and a pair of shoes that I will show you in a little bit. But this outfit is so cute and I literally cannot wait to wear it to like a dinner. Just like this adorable print with these pants, like come on, it's a look. And then I bought 3 dresses. The first one is this like short sleeve t-shirt kind of dress, super simple, in like this pretty minty sage green, which is super in right now. And it has the slit on the side. It's so flattering. It fits me so good. I'll have all the sizes in the description along with the links to all of this stuff because I always forget to say the sizes. The next dress is going to be kind of hard to show on camera, but it's this little spaghetti strap dress and this cool little tie-dye kind of print, and then it has the cinch down one side and it's like asymmetric. You'll see in the try on, but it is so cute. It's not see-through at all and it's like the lightest silky, almost kind of like swimsuit material, but not in a bad way at all. The last dress I got is this adorable like tan dress. It's got the cinch down the middle and the ties on the side, and it has one set of straps that are just regular, and then this second strap ties like a halter, which is like a cute little extra detail. And the length is really good. It doesn't like ride up on me. It's so cute. It's so comfy. It's so flattering. The next is actually the only shirt that I did not like out of the whole bunch, and it's not even that like made bad or it's bad quality. It's just because I don't think this kind of cut fits my body. It's like this brown spaghetti strap ruffle top. I guess I could try and wear it without the straps and see if that looked cuter, but with the straps it just like didn't flatter my body. But it's still super cute, so I'm probably just going to like give it to one of my friends if I can't figure out how to wear it. The next outfit I am so freaking excited for. I got this red top. It just ties like a halter in the back, and the part that goes around your body is like this scrunchy material, so it's really comfortable and not too tight. It's in this really pretty red floral print, and I bought these white pants to wear with them that I'm so excited. They're just high-waisted wide leg pants, and they are slightly see-through, but nothing that like a pair of nude underwear couldn't fix. So I am so excited to wear that outfit together. I think it's so freaking cute. I think the trend of like baggy pants with a tiny top is so in right now, and I love it, and I'm so excited to wear that outfit. The next shirt I got I think would also look really cute with those brown leather pants is this one shoulder, just super simple tan crop top. This is so cute and it's such good quality. Like, I will probably never shop anywhere for like fast fashion trends besides Shein, but it's adorable. I'm obsessed with it. I think it would look so cute, just like a pair of jeans or a pair of shorts or those leather pants and some heels if you wanted to dress it up a little bit. The last shirt that I got is also a one shoulder. It is a white one shoulder long sleeve shirt. It's really cute. Again, it's a little bit see-through, but like if you're wearing a nude bra, you would never know. And it fits great. It's not too cropped. It's so freaking cute, and I'm excited to pair it with like a pair of jeans and a pair of heels and just dress it up. I'm really, really excited. I need to find a new word other than excited. And then I of course had to get swimsuits. First, I just got this cute little swimsuit cover up. It is like a tan mesh with these really pretty white and gold flowers on it, like that. I think I'm gonna wear it over like just a all white swimsuit. Like I think that would just be like such a look and really cute, and then also add just like a little bit of coverage. The next swimsuit set I got is adorable. I cannot wait to wear it. It is this pretty yellow just triangle swimsuit with pink, it looks like roses on it. It's a triangle top, but it ties in the back, and then it has like adjustable straps, not the ones that tie around your neck, which I really, really like. And it does have padding in it. And then it just comes with these bottoms. They are a little cheeky, but not too cheeky in the back. They do go up on your hips a little bit, so it gives you this nice little V. And it came with this adorable little wrap skirt cover up, so it's just like a whole outfit. You could even wear this. I saw some girls wore it as like a headscarf. The next one I got is this really pretty little blue tie-dye moment, just a regular triangle top with high bottoms, and these had a really good amount of coverage and you could pull them up higher on your hips. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I don't usually wear just regular like low-rise bottoms, so I feel like they don't flatter my body, but I'm trying to like just be more confident and wear whatever I want to wear. So that's what I ordered. I ordered 3 just regular low-rise bikini bottoms. And this next one is the second and last thing that I was slightly disappointed with. It's so cute and I wanted to love it so bad. They were once again just these really cute like almost 70s inspired floral print with just the plain triangle top. Also the top fit okay, the bottoms just, maybe I could figure out how to tie them better, but they just didn't sit right on my butt. The front was like really small, but the back was like really baggy, and I just couldn't get it to really like flatter my body. The last 3 things I got are actually shoes, and I was so nervous to order shoes on Shein because I hadn't really heard much about them and I didn't know if they would be of good quality or how they would fit. But this is the first pair, just these super cute like nude almost blush colored square toe strappy heels. I got them in a size 9. I'm usually a size 8, and they fit so freaking good. I love these, and I love the chunky heel, and the top 2 straps are like kind of stretchy, so they're super comfortable on my feet. And then the next pair are just these white strappy sandals with a square toe, and they have this like funky heel where it's like a square at the bottom. I don't love the heel, but I really wanted just like few white strappy sandals. Once again, I believe I got these in a size 9. Like I said, I'll have everything with sizes down in the description because I don't remember. And then the last pair of shoes I got are actually, they're gonna be so hard to show on camera, these super cute nude wedges. Basically, this part just ties around your ankle. They're just like this tan nude color. This part is like really stretchy, and it looks like that. That is my Shein haul, and I'm so excited to wear all of these super cute clothes and style them in different ways for vacation. If you want to see how I style all of these outfits, you have to follow me on Instagram. It is just at Miranda_Mahari. Once again, I'll have everything linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!